If we lose the confidence of the capital markets, we're buying 0 Bitcoin. In the first quarter, we did an $800 million convertible bond. We bought Bitcoin. The market liked it. The very next week, we went back to the market, did a $600 million convertible bond, bought more Bitcoin. It was accretive. The market liked it. So what we do, we went back the next quarter. We did another $800 million bond. We bought Bitcoin. The market liked it. In the middle, we sold hundreds of millions of dollars of equity.
But I want to say one thing to the American people. I want you to listen to me. I'm going to say this again. I did not have sexual relations with that woman. I never told anybody to lie.
Our job as fiduciaries is we need to defend the credit investors and we need to defend the equity investors. And if that means on occasion we'll buy 20 Bitcoin, we'll sell 1 Bitcoin, and then the credit investors will give us enough to buy 20 more Bitcoin, and we'll sell 1 more Bitcoin. By the way, I said to you, never sell your Bitcoin. I never said that the company wouldn't sell his Bitcoin. So we're not going to be selling. We're going to be buying Bitcoin. I expect we'll be buying Bitcoin every quarter forever.
This afternoon in this room, I testified before the Office of Independent Counsel and the grand jury. Indeed, I did have a relationship with Ms. Lewinsky that was not appropriate.
What he said was belied by the mountains of evidence that we had on the other side.
If Bitcoin stalls for like a serious period of time, if it stays sideways for a long period of time, and what is the purpose for like an average micro?
Let me break that down.
Yeah, go ahead.
If we do nothing, if we do nothing for 35 years and if Bitcoin stalls, then in 35 years we wouldn't be able to pay the dividend. We wouldn't do nothing, right? We would refinance or adjust.